Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. On today's video I have this BMW Series 1. This is an F20 chassis 2017 model. And I'm just going to be replacing the pollen filter. Pollen filter, cabin filter, carbon active filter. There's different names for it, but there is different types of pollen filters. So that there is a carbon active one, which also filters a type of bacteria, airborne bacteria, that kind of thing. Whereas the pollen filter, it only filters pollen. So there are two types, and this one is a little bit more expensive. Now, to get access to this particular one, we need to go on the footwell passenger side here in the UK, because it's a right-hand drive. We're gonna need a 10mm socket and a 20T Torx that I've got there. So looking underneath here, we're gonna have two 10mm bolts, one there, and that one there, which I already had them loose, which will then allow you to pull these down. This panel is literally plugged in there, so we can pull it down with our hands, like so. Now we're gonna disconnect this charger here. Get this panel out. Potentially you could disconnect this light here, but you don't really have to, I don't think so, but it will give you a little bit of extra room if you did. And that sort of just pulls out. It's basically held in by a tiny little pin in there, so you could use a very skinny flathead screwdriver to remove it. Okay, if you get something skinny like this in there and just lift that white bit there, you'll be able to flick that out, basically. And in here, there's gonna be some Torx screws. So I was kind of removing this one already. There's one, and I think there's another one just there. And there might be a third one just here. So if your pollen filter has been replaced before and you haven't got those screws, maybe they just didn't put them back on. Sometimes they don't. Right. And now we can take this cover out. And here's our pollen filter. Just note the arrows there. So our new pollen filter has some arrows as well. You can see the arrows there. So this is gonna go in like this, basically, with the arrows pointing that way. Right, let's get this one in. We have to curve it a little bit. It's going in. So once we have our filter up there, we can then just proceed to fitting this cover back on, and you are gonna have to fit the screws, the 3 screws, because clearly those hold this cover in place. So just make sure you get those 3 back in there, because there is no clips holding this in place. So there's no clips, it's just these Torx screws. And I think from here on it pretty much goes without saying. It's just a matter of refitting all the covers and you're pretty much done. And just remember these screws, those little screws are only going into plastic, so don't over tighten them, otherwise they will round the plastic inside and that won't be very good. So now we just have to fit that back in there, clip that back on, get this up there, fit this back on as well. And then these plugs back up here. That is done. And last but not least, you have your 2 10mm, which I'm gonna go ahead and fit now. So having said that, not a particularly difficult one to replace, so just go ahead and do it periodically so you can have nice fresh air coming into your car. I mean, every 15,000 miles or so, or every 2 years is the recommended time for changing those. So don't forget to like, follow, subscribe. We'll see you all in the next video. Thank you for watching.